bayan, dahan-dahan pero sigurado ang nais si Pangulo Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na maging hakbang para matiyak na mapapanagot ang lahat ng nasa likod ng katiwalian sa flood control projects.
Sa kanyang podcast, sinabi ng Pangulo na ayaw niyang madaliin ang pagsasampa ng kaso kung sa huli ay maibabasura lang dahil sa kahinaan ng ebidensya.
We know many of these people are not innocent.
Okay.
But if you're going to bring them to court, you must have a very strong case. Look, anong mangyayari? Minadaliin natin. Hindi kompletong ebidensya natin. Malabo yung ebidensya natin. Pero pinilit natin.
Yeah.
Natalo yung kaso. Can you imagine?
I know.
I think that will be much, much, much worse. We have to follow the law. Otherwise, whatever we do is not legitimate. And we have to be very, very clear that we go after the guilty ones.